everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I did a set of nails using different colours and 3D nail art and different things like that, pinks and nudie colours and stuff like that. Unfortunately I have not had enough time to film an intro or an ending to this video. I do apologise for that, guys. It's just I'm not having the best of days today, so I am just doing a voiceover. I hope you don't mind, I do apologise. So on my thumbnail I have applied Holly Girl to my nail, gel polish, and then I'm going in with these beautiful 4D gels that I got from Miss You Beauty. Got a nudie one and a pink one. So I'm just creating myself a little bow on my thumbnail. So I'm using this silicone tool here and some gel residue remover to just pat out this 4D gel into the shape of a bow. And I love this stuff because you can actually work with it before it hardens. Obviously you decide when to put it into cure, under the lamp, sorry, to cure it, so you can work with it and get it into any shape that you want, and I really like that, so you're not in any rush to get it done before it dries or anything. So there's my little 3D bow, just using my little 3D brush from Miss You Beauty there, and then I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I go in with my dotting tool and my Pro Gel in Wedding Dress, in the shade Wedding Dress, and I just apply some little dots to that. And then I apply my top coat to that whole nail. I go over the 3D artwork with my top coat because I just like to get everything lovely and shiny. I just like that look. I know some people like it to be matte, but I like it shiny. Sorry for my dog barking, by the way. So then I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So on my forefinger I do a little bit of stamping nail art, a little bit of layered stamping nail art. So I'm going in with Miss Casey here, beautiful pink that I absolutely love. So I apply 2 coats of that, curing each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I go in with some non-wipe UV gel top coat because I just feel the stamping plate goes on better, or the stamping nail art goes on better once I've done that. So this plate that I've got is from Born Pretty, and the stamper and scraper I think are from Beauty Big Bang. So it's just a little butterfly, and then I go in again with my Pro Gel and just apply some dots and these little tiny sequins. So I just apply some non-white UV gel top coat, and before I cure it I just apply these sequins to the nail, and it's really nice because they just catch the light. They just flash in the light. It's lovely, I really like them. They have a beautiful little effect to them. They're just silver and holographic, and I think they're really nice. So then I cure that, and then I apply another layer of top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. So on my middle finger I'm going in with this Miss You Beauty diamond glitter in the shade Celine with my UV gel brush, and just apply that all over my nail. It's a really nice, like a rose gold colour. I really like this one. So I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I go in with another coat of it. So as I said, I'm just going in with another coat of this Miss You Beauty diamond glitter. Really fabulous colour. And then I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. In 1911, he travelled some 35,000 miles to lands including China, India, Japan, and the Philippines. And then in 1914, more than 300 brothers. So with both of these 4D gels here that I've got, I just get a bit of pink and a bit of the nude, and I blend them, or I mix them together a little bit like Play-Doh. And then I pat them out onto the nail and create my 3D heart. and I just sort of did this so that it was a little bit like a marble effect. So I just do this using my 3D acrylic brush, just pat it out, and with the gel residue remover. And then with my dotting tool and Pro Gel in the shade Wedding Dress, I just apply some dots around that heart, just as a little bit of decoration. And then I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat, which then I cure for 60 seconds. So my ring finger, I go in with a nude colour, and the colour of that is Spring Break 09, so it's a really lovely nude stony colour. So I apply 2 coats of that, which I cure in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So then with my diamond glitter in the shade Celine and my fine detail brush, I just add a little bit of this to the nail, starting in the middle, and it just goes out into like a triangular shape towards the tip of the nail. Just apply that to that nail, and I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So then with my Pro Gel in the shade Wedding Dress, I just go around the outline of that nail just to sharpen out the edges, and it just adds a little bit more decoration to it, just makes it a little bit more different, which I really like. So then I cure that for 30 seconds in my LED lamp, but before I actually do cure that, I then go in with my sequins that I applied to my nail earlier, and I just apply those to the white part, or where I've applied the Pro Gel to that nail. So I just pop them down there before I've cured it, and then I do cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I apply my non-wipe UV gel top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. And then on the little finger, I decided to go in with a marble design. So Miss Casey here I apply to my nail, Miss Casey 01, which I cure this coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I go in with a second coat of this colour, but before I cure it, I went in with my marble design so that the colours were able to just run slightly. So I went in with Spring Break 09 from earlier. I go in with Miss Casey 02, and then I go in with my Pro Gel in the shade Wedding Dress. And then what I do is I just sort of pat out those colours all together, and sort of blend them together. I use a little tiny bit of the gel residue remover as well, so that it makes the colours run just that little bit more. So as you can see, I'm just marbling these colours out, and then I also do apply a little bit of the Diamond Glitter Celine, and what this nail does, it just sort of ties all of the colours that I've used, it ties them all together in the last nail, which I really quite like the idea of. So I apply Celine to it as well, the Diamond Glitter, and then I cure all that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat, which I cure for 60 seconds. Then I apply cuticle oil to the nails and I am done. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.